Hi, I'm Linda Richer from Robert Richer Jewelers in Dorval. And in my last video entitled Selling Your Old Gold Jewelry for Cash, I promised I'd show you the process we go through with you when you come into the store considering selling your old gold jewelry for cash. Gold has been one of the most sought after and appreciated metal in the world. In its pure form, it never rusts, never oxidizes, and it's shiny forever. Amazing qualities to have. And it was one of the first metals discovered by man some 5,000 years BC. That's pretty amazing. It's been around for quite a while. So here's an example of pieces that a customer came in with that they no longer care for and are considering repurposing or getting cash for it. So we start by looking at the stamp that is inside the piece of jewelry. The stamp will give us the percentage of pure gold in it. Because we only buy the pure gold part of the jewelry. So pure gold is 24 karat and it is yellow. Yellow is the color of pure gold. We mix in some alloys into it to change its color or also to change some of its properties. In North America, you will tend to see more 10 and 14 karat gold. So 10 karat gold is 41.7% pure gold. So you have more alloys than you do gold. And gold in its pure form is absolutely hypoallergenic. So if you happen to be reacting to your gold jewelry, you're reacting to the alloys, not the gold. So then we move on to 14 karat gold, which is 58.5% pure gold. And then in Europe, if you travel to Europe, Europeans tend to have more 18 karat gold, which is 75% pure gold. And then in the Orient, they go up to 22 karat gold, which is 91.6% pure gold. And that's it for numbers and percentages, I promise you. So to validate that the stamp that we see inside is accurate, because it's not always what it says it is, we do an acid test. So let's go to the acid test and see how that works. The acid test has been around forever and is quite simple, really. It's considered the standard test for gold. So for it, we use a touchstone, different calibrated acids, as well as test needles. The touchstone is made of slate, and the fact that it's slightly abrasive, when you rub the jewelry on it, it will deposit some small particles on the slate. Naturally, because we are working with concentrated acids, we have to wear gloves for protection. Now, both these rings are stamped 10 karat. So we're rubbing both of them on the slate, and then we will rub also one of the calibrated test needles that has percentage of gold on it. And then you drop the acid on it, and it's the chemical reaction that will validate or not the stamp. It's usually pretty quick, so we'll see it react. And if you see, oh, the middle one is disappearing, and that's telling us that it's not what it says it is. So we'll have to do further testing on that one. But the other one is 10 karat, so we've validated that. And so after that, we will weigh it on a scale that must be legally approved for trade by government to establish the value. Kind of a cool process, isn't it? Sort of a jeweler's version of CSI. Look for CSI Dorval coming to you soon. I do hope you found this information useful and interesting. And if you did, please share and comment. And remember, at Robert Richer Jewelers, there's no mailing, no waiting, and certainly no gimmicks. Thanks for listening.